Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Joe with Block CrossFit here in Redlands, California. I'm the owner and head coach here at Block. Wanted to talk to you a little bit today about the Bulldog Scrubber. If you guys have seen some of the videos in the past, you know about that clean water tank. You know that it's putting down clean water and that it's picking up the dirty water, opposed to your traditional mop bucket, which is just spreading around that dirty water. What I want to talk to you today about is about time and how much time we can save by using the Bulldog Scrubber. Here at Block CrossFit, we have about 3,500 plus square feet of actual rubber flooring. We are using the standard 4x6 stall mats, and then we got about another 2,000 to 2,300 of actual concrete that needs to be cleaned on a daily basis, and in some cases twice a day. So traditionally, when I would mop this with a bucket, I would have to do 3 or 4 bucket changes, and we'd be looking at somewhere around 2 to 2.5 hours of work time. We're gonna see what we can get that down to here today with the Bulldog Scrubber.